Best Garmin watches. Are you looking for the best Garmin watches? In this video we will look at some of the best Garmin watches on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Garmin Fenix 8 AMOLED. Discover your ultimate performance partner with the Garmin Fenix 8, a flagship multi-sport GPS smartwatch engineered for athletes who demand precision, durability, and elite-level training guidance. Designed for marathoners, ultrarunners, and multi-sport competitors, the Fenix 8 goes far beyond basic tracking. It delivers in-depth performance analytics such as training readiness, recovery time, and Pace Pro technology, which offers GPS-based pace guidance to help you master your race day strategy. Every run, ride, or workout becomes smarter and more efficient with data that empowers you to optimize performance. Battery life is a standout feature, especially for endurance athletes. The 51mm AMOLED model provides up to 29 days of use, while the Solar Edition stretches an impressive 48 days with proper sunlight exposure. Customizable power management modes allow you to tailor settings to your activity, ensuring your watch keeps up from the first mile to the finish line, no mid-race charging required. Built for exploration, the Fenix 8 includes full-color topographic maps, turn-by-turn navigation, and Climb Pro to help you anticipate elevation changes during trail adventures or unfamiliar routes. Recovery tools such as advanced sleep tracking, HRV status, and body battery energy monitoring provide essential insights that help prevent burnout and guide smarter training cycles. While it sits at the higher end of the price spectrum, the Fenix 8 delivers unmatched performance, accuracy, and rugged reliability. As MH Fitness and Commerce editor Charles Thorpe, NASM, puts it, this watch has everything Garmin has to offer in a low-profile casing, rugged enough for tough terrain yet sleek enough for everyday wear. Number 2. Garmin Vivoactive 6. The Garmin Vivoactive 6 delivers the perfect blend of everyday smartwatch convenience and robust fitness tracking, making it an excellent choice for active users who want more insight and longer battery life than most mainstream wearables. With a sleek, modern design, it stands as a compelling alternative to the Apple Watch SE, especially for those who prioritize endurance and advanced metrics. Offering up to 11 days of battery life, the Vivoactive 6 minimizes charging interruptions, keeping up with busy schedules and demanding training routines. Built for runners, lifters, and fitness enthusiasts, the Vivoactive 6 provides comprehensive data including VO2 max, aerobic and anaerobic training load, and real-time effort analysis. During testing, its instant responsiveness set it apart. Pace updates appeared immediately during runs, outperforming the Apple Watch SE's noticeable delay. Strength training also benefits from live heart rate zone tracking, helping you maintain the right intensity and optimize each session. Comfortable and lightweight, the Vivoactive 6 suits a wide range of wrist sizes without sacrificing durability. At $299, it delivers premium fitness insights at a competitive price point while still offering practical everyday features. You can make contactless payments, receive smart notifications, and even store your favorite Spotify playlists directly on the watch, perfect for phone-free workouts. If you're searching for a smartwatch that blends everyday usability with truly comprehensive fitness tracking without breaking the bank, the Garmin Vivoactive 6 is an outstanding choice. Number 3. Garmin Forerunner 965. The Garmin Forerunner 965 is engineered for runners who want elite-level performance data wrapped in a lightweight, stylish design. Featuring a vivid 1.4-inch AMOLED display and a durable titanium bezel, this $599 smartwatch delivers exceptional clarity, comfort, and durability for daily training. Before the release of the Forerunner 970, it stood as Garmin's top-tier running watch, and it remains a powerhouse for athletes who want deep insights without sacrificing everyday functionality. During testing, we found the Forerunner 965 incredibly intuitive to use. Its clear interface makes it easy to view pace, distance, heart rate, and other key metrics mid-run without breaking focus. After each workout, the watch prompts you to rate your perceived effort, combining subjective feedback with precise performance data to create a holistic view of your training. This personalized approach sets the 965 apart from other running watches. Advanced coaching features elevate the experience further. The watch delivers customized training suggestions based on upcoming races and your fitness goals, while daily activity monitoring helps protect against overtraining. It integrates seamlessly with platforms like Strava, provides music storage with Spotify compatibility, and tracks sleep stages to refine your recovery. The Garmin Connect app brings everything together, offering clear insights, history, and community challenges. Though the larger size may feel big on smaller wrists, the weeks-long battery life and deep training analytics make it a top choice for dedicated runners. For athletes ready to elevate their performance, the Forerunner 965 offers a premium, data-rich experience worth the investment. Number 4. Garmin Instinct 3 AMOLED. The Garmin Instinct 3 is built for those who need a smartwatch that can handle tough environments without missing a beat. Designed with military-grade durability, this rugged watch is made to take hits, scrapes, and daily wear with ease. During testing, it proved nearly indestructible. We accidentally knocked it against doorframes, scraped it with kettlebells, and pushed it through intense training sessions, yet it stayed flawless. The bold, masculine design features a substantial case packed with advanced sensors and maintains an impressive 100-meter water resistance rating. Battery life is one of the Instinct 3's standout strengths. While Garmin estimates up to 18 days per charge, we consistently achieved closer to 21 days of real-world use, even with regular tracking. This makes it one of Garmin's longest-lasting watches and a clear step ahead of mainstream competitors. A quick 10-minute charge can add several extra hours of runtime, making it ideal for busy users who forget to charge before heading out. For outdoor adventurers, the Instinct 3 is exceptionally well equipped. It includes multi-band GPS with SatIQ for precise positioning, a digital compass for directional guidance, ABC sensors for real-time environmental data, and a built-in flashlight with multiple brightness modes, including a red light for night visibility. The watch also provides extensive health monitoring with HRV status, stress tracking, and blood oxygen measurements. For anyone who needs unbeatable durability, powerful navigation, and long-lasting performance, the Garmin Instinct 3 stands out as a top-tier adventure-ready smartwatch. Number 5. Garmin Forerunner 165. The Garmin Forerunner 165 delivers exceptional running technology in a budget-friendly $249 package, making it the perfect choice for beginners or anyone looking to explore fitness tracking without sacrificing performance. As one of Garmin's newest models, it combines a vivid AMOLED display, lightweight build, and surprisingly advanced training features that rival more expensive watches. Although positioned as an entry-level device, the Forerunner 165 stands out with its premium feel and smart design. It's noticeably more comfortable than Garmin's bulkier models, offering all-day wearability without compromising durability. The bright, crisp AMOLED screen remains easily readable in direct sunlight, and the hybrid control system, combining responsive touchscreen navigation with reliable physical buttons, makes it simple to use during any workout. For new runners, the Forerunner 165 provides all the essential performance insights needed to train smarter. Its accurate GPS tracking, heart rate monitoring, and guided workout suggestions deliver consistent, actionable data without overwhelming users. While it doesn't include some higher-end recovery features found in models like the Forerunner 965, it covers the fundamentals extremely well, ensuring you stay on track with your training goals. The Forerunner 165 packs impressive value into an approachable design, giving beginners and casual runners the confidence to take their training to the next level. If you want Garmin quality performance at an unbeatable price, this watch hits the ideal balance of simplicity, accuracy, and comfort.